To thank you all for being here today as the audience. During the course of this presentation, I will talk about two topics. First, I'll cover the area known as international business and its aspects. Then, I will present to you all a company that has success in a globalized world. Then, finally, I will summarize the two topics and bring a conclusion to you. If any of you have any kind of questions, I will try my best to answer them at the end. Given this information, let's begin. With the continuous process of globalization, the major in international business was born. This major has as purpose to teach students how to think globally in the business world. Also, it provides them with tools that are needed to manage multinational companies and to create international enterprises. This major is in continuous growth thanks to the disappearance of commercial frontiers and to globalization. Therefore, innovation and adaptation are key in this major. International business covers many aspects, but there are three areas that can be highlighted. The first area is economics, which focuses on the world's economy and globalization through analysis and objectivity. Then we find the area of marketing for those who wish to enter new markets. Innovation is especially needed in this area. And finally, the third area, which is one that I find quite interesting, is logistics. Logistics focuses on the management of the chain of value and the supply chain. Logistics, I think, is the most important area of this major, thanks to the fact that almost all, if not all, companies need logistics. Besides, it provides skills such as organizing and strategizing. Focusing on logistics, the majority of these companies are subsidiaries of major companies such as DHL Supply Chain and DB Schenker. However, there are companies that thrive as their own boss. That is the case of Quen plus Nagel. With over 1,000 companies, offices around the world, and over 125 years of experience, Quen plus Nagel holds many spots at the top of the standings. Number 1, global sea freight forwarder. Number 2, global logistics provider. And top 3, European overland provider. Quen plus Nagel is simply a force to be reckoned with. Quen plus Nagel works with some of the most active industrial sectors. Also, the company has an advanced companies network, great IT systems, and an excellent customer services. These two factors combined provide them with success. Besides all the infrastructure that the company has acquired other skills during over a century of experience. For example, they put in practice innovation in the creation of specialized systems for each industrial sector. For example, KN Pharma Chain for pharmaceuticals. Also, the company has shown resilience after its survival of 2 world wars in the Germany of those times. After the Second World War ended, the company expanded to Switzerland, Canada, Belgium, and became the top force that it is today. And finally, I cannot conclude my talk about Quen plus Nagel without mentioning their CSR. The company's CSR, or corporate social responsibilities, is based on 5 values: security, health and safety, environment, sustainability, and quality. Now I'll summarize the 2 topics of the presentation. First, the major in international business is quite recent, but is growing in popularity. The major focuses on teaching students how to think globally in the business world in areas such as marketing, economics, and logistics. And then, in the logistics area, there are companies such as Quen plus Nagel They are thriving thanks to top-notch efficiency and high standards of quality. Now, in conclusion, I can say that the major international business is on the rise, with companies investing more and more each day that passes on foreign markets, and with a non-stopping process of globalization, the time for international business is now. Thank you for your attention. I will now answer any questions that you have. First.
So you said that you wanted to work as your own boss, right? You said that?
No, it's that there are companies that are not subsidiaries. That nobody talked about that. For example, DHL supply chain works for DHL, and DB Schenker was the corporate. But Thomas was not able to his own head. He responds to his client, but he doesn't have another top manager or top enterprise over them.
So, which company would you rather work on?
I would say the company that has the best employee treatment, but also opportunities to grow.
How will you spell the company you talked about?
K-U-E-H-N-E, plus sign, then N-A-G-E-L.
You said you wanted to work in a company where you have an ability to grow, or you do, what do you mean, like what?
I would say that a company that offers to those employees who work many years with them, better opportunities in areas of management or that style.
So you want to get into a management position?
I will say.
What's the thing you like the most about logistics?
Logistics, I will say the skills that you need. It's like you have to find a different path or a path that helps the company the most and makes them the most profitable and updated company.